several different ways of graphing, transforming logarithmic functions. Basically, one way is to find your base 10. Once you have your base 10, you can write your 3 points, right? 1, 1, 0, and then 10, 1, and then 1 over b, right? So 1 over 10, just like from the last example. And then you get negative 1, right? And so because I'm doing with my x, I'm adding 3, right? Normally I can't take log base 10 of 0, because if I rewrite that, right, 10 raised to what is 0? Well, that never happens, because negative I just get fractions, and 0 I just get 1, right? So I can't have a 0 there. So if to do that, I have to plug in negative 3 for my x, so I'm just going to take negative 3 away from all my x's. So that would be negative 2, 0, that'd be 7, 1, and that would be negative 2 and 9/10. Okay, and then this is basically just my y value, and I'm timesing that by 2, so I'm just going to take all my y values and times them by 2. So I get negative 2, 0, I get 7, 2, I get negative 2 and 9/10, and that was negative 1 times by 2 is negative 2. And then after I multiply, I add or subtract, right? So I gotta subtract 1 from all my y's. So this might be the easiest way for you to do it. I'll make another couple videos showing you 2 different ways to do it, or 3, I guess. The book, I think, has 2 different ways. I believe this is one of them. So whichever one works for you, I don't care. 2 and 9/10, negative 2 and 9/10, and then negative 3. Alright, so then I can just graph it. Negative 2, negative 1, negative 2 and 9/10, and negative 3. So that means my boundary is at negative 3, which makes sense because I can't plug in negative 3 because this can't happen, right? So there's my vertical asymptote. So I'm getting closer and closer to the line, but not crossing it. And then this way I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 1. So there's my third point. All right, looks something like that.